The global automobile sector is now beset with chip shortages, which have impacted the manufacturing capacity of most automotive companies. Waiting times have reached an all-time high due to slow production processes and strong demand for particular types of popular vehicles. We prepared a series of automobiles with the longest waiting times. So let's take a look. 10 SUVs with highest waiting period May 2022. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Kia Celtos. Up to 3 months. Within a day of its release, the Kia Celtos had a waiting list of up to 3 months for some models. More than 32,000 reservations have already been made for the mid-size compact SUV. Even though Kia has only manufactured 5,000 Celtos, the company insists it will not stop accepting new reservations. The Celtos now compete against the Hyundai Crata, MG Hector, and Tata Harrier. Number 9. Toyota Fortuner. Up to 4 months. The Toyota Fortuner, India's favorite full-sized SUV, has been on the market for over a decade. Throughout this time, it has repeatedly demonstrated its dependability, comfort, and off-road prowess, and so on. The Fortuner has a 4-month waiting time. The Toyota Fortuner has 2 engine options, a 2.7-liter NA petrol engine and a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. The former produces 160 PS and 245 Nm of peak power and torque and is available with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Number 8. Nissan Magna. Up to 4 months. The Magna arrived in India like a knight in shining armor for Nissan sales stats. The sleek-looking sub-4-meter small SUV was favorably greeted by consumers. Currently, there is a 4-month waiting time. In terms of engines, the Nissan Magna is available with 2 petrol engines, a 1-liter normally aspirated unit and a 1.0-liter turbocharged unit. The naturally aspirated engine produces 71 bhp and 96 Nm of peak torque and is available solely with a 5-speed manual transmission. Number 7. Tata Punch. Up to 4 months. The agile, light, flexible, advanced Alpha architecture underpins the Tata Punch. The crossover is powered by a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine with automated engine start-stop and 2 driving modes, City and Eco. The engine produces 85 bhp and 113 Nm and is paired to either a 5-speed manual or a 5-speed AMT transmission. The business has begun delivering the Punch to clients who had pre-ordered it, with no waiting time. However, with the initial batch of deliveries completed and fresh bookings on the rise, the Tata Punch waiting period has grown for individuals who ordered after the car's premiere. Number 6. Tata Nexon. Up to 4 months. If you need space for 5 people and a comfortable trip, Nexon becomes the obvious pick. If you're looking for polish and cutting-edge technology, the Nexon may feel a touch rough around the edges. The Tata Nexon is offered in 36 variations with Revo Torque and Revotron engines, as well as manual and automatic gearbox options. There are 18 Revotron variants and 18 Revo Torque variants. Nexon's high-strength steel construction with shock-absorbing capabilities provides the next level of safety. It has updated the design concept of the previous edition while retaining the aesthetic of a sports coupe. Tata has worked extensively on technology advancements and safety precautions. Number 5. Hyundai Crata. Up to 6 months. The Hyundai Crata has been in the Indian market for over 6 years and has been warmly appreciated from the start. The Crata is an excellent family vehicle thanks to its smooth ride, simple driving characteristics, and adequate room. Right now, depending on the version, you may be waiting up to 5 to 6 months. The new Crata has 3 engine options, including 1.5-liter petrol and diesel engines that both produce 150 PS, and a 1.4-liter turbo petrol engine that produces 143 PS. Number 4. Kia Sonnet. Up to 6 months. Kia's answer to the Tata Nexon and Ford EcoSport is the Sonnet. There weren't many choices in this sector, so when the Sonnet arrived with segment-first features like ventilated seats and front parking sensors, it drew a lot of attention. Of course, the popularity and success of the Kia Celtos piqued people's interest in learning more about the Sonnet. It currently has a waiting time of up to 6 months. Number 3. MG Aster. Up to 6 months. The MG Aster SUV is not just the petrol version of the MG ZS EV, but it also shares a few design aspects with it. However, it is most closely identified with the MG ZS facelift that is now on the UK and Australian roads. A 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine with 110 horsepower is available, paired to either a 5-speed manual or an 8-step CVT automated transmission. A 140 horsepower 1.3-liter turbo petrol engine with only a 6-speed torque converter automatic is also available. Number 2. Mahindra Tar, up to 11 months. The unveiling of the Mahindra Tar in October 2020 was a much-anticipated event, and Mahindra received 15,000 reservations in the first 17 days. Enthusiasts have been waiting a long time to see the Tar's raw appeal and talents in a new form. We did get to see the launch in all of its majesty, but if you're hoping to buy one right now, you'll have to wait a long time. Dealers are estimating up to 11 months wait times for the beast. Number 1. Mahindra XUV 700, up to 20 months. The all-new Mahindra XUV 700 was introduced in August 2021, with official pricing published in September of last year. The XUV 700 has a considerable wait time due to production difficulties caused by supply chain challenges and chip shortages. However, it took the business 3 months to finish the invoicing procedure for 14,000 Mahindra XUV 700 vehicles. Depending on the version, the XUV 700's waiting period ranges from 6 to 20 months. So, guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.